I'm stoked about my new 10-foot inflatable paddleboard from Pulse. Let me show y'all what we got. We got the paddle right here. We got the repair kit. Hopefully we don't need to use that. We got the fins right here that go on the bottom. We got the leash. And yeah, here's what we've been waiting for. The board itself. I'm gonna unfold it. All right, gonna unfold this in. Just gonna hang off the table though. And then, yeah, nice colors. Handle. That's about it. All right, I forgot to tell y'all, it comes with this pump, but we decided to use this electric pump. Turn it on. I got 2 more boards here, and I'm showing you how easy it is to walk them, because they got wheels. I got my 11.3 paddleboard right here, inflatable. Let's see what we got. Got the pump. We're gonna use the electric one. Got the repair kit. Probably don't need to use that, hopefully. Got the fins again right here. Here's the leash up under here. And then here's the board. It's much bigger than the last one. All right, now I'm gonna unroll it, show y'all what it looks like. There it is. All right. So this is the 3rd board we got. It's a 10.6 inflatable paddleboard from Pulse. Let's see what we got. Got the pump again. Got the leash, go around our ankle, need that. The repair kit again, hopefully we don't need to use that. The fins, obviously go on the bottom. Then, here's the board. Different color, again. I'm gonna roll it out now. Now, take off the wrapper. Nice orange, pink, whatever. And blues. Yeah, very nice. All right, last but not least, Here's a 11.3 inflatable paddleboard from Post. We're gonna open this one up. See what we got. Got this pump, the paddle, here's 1, 2, 3 fins right here. Go on the bottom. Repair kit. The leash. Now the board. Take this plastic off. That's it. Now let's go paddling.